Good day, esteemed CEO and CMO. Today, I'm excited to present our findings and insights from the analysis we conducted to drive business growth and expansion. Before delving into the visuals, allow me to walk you through the meticulous process that we followed, ensuring error-free analysis and providing actionable recommendations tailored to our business objectives. So, the data cleanup process that we um, conducted ensured accuracy and reliability. We addressed issues such as negative quantities and incorrect unit prices, safeguarding the integrity of our analysis. Then our journey begins with a dive into the time series revenue analysis for the year 2011. Leveraging a line chart, we visualized revenue trends month by month, uncovering seasonal patterns and potential areas of improvement. We can infer that days like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, along with consumers preparing for Thanksgiving and Christmas, indicate a spike in the sales during the month of November. After this, we will be focusing on the top revenue generating countries. So in this, moving on to our exploration of top revenue generating countries, we utilized a side-by-side bar chart to highlight revenue contributions by region. Notably, we identified countries with the highest revenue and their respective product contributions, laying the groundwork for targeted expansion strategies. We can infer that Ireland, Netherlands, France, and Germany are our biggest markets, and we shall think about expansion in these countries. Um, Additionally, we emphasize the significance of nurturing our top revenue generating customers by identifying and prioritizing these key clients through um, a column chart visualization. We can ensure their satisfaction and strengthen our long term relationships with them. Now, let's talk about expansion strategy based on the revenue trends. We observed countries with the highest revenue and proposed expansion into these lucrative markets. Uh, by strategically deploying resources and opening new stores in these regions, we can capitalize on existing demand and drive sustainable growth. Our analysis culminates in a global unit sales map, illustrating demand across different regions. This visualization empowers us to identify high demand areas and explore potential market opportunities for expansion, guiding in the global growth strategy. In conclusion, leveraging these insightful visualizations, we stand poised to make informed decisions that drive revenue growth, optimize customer relationships, and expand our market presence strategically. Our commitment to data-driven decision making ensures that we are well positioned to seize opportunities and achieve our business objectives effectively. Thank you.